So welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see the deposit schemes and how deposit system works for Nidhi company in Jainam Software. Alright, so let's get started. In customer, you can create customer here. Okay, so I have created many customers and I can search those customers in all list. So I can see I have created total 25 customers. I can search specific customer for whom I have to create the deposit. I click deposit here. Now in deposit system we have multiple options like what exactly to be created. So FD, RD, fees, maintenance, savings account and MIS. So I want to create savings account. So I clicked savings. Yearly rate of interest on saving account, I say 6%. Compounding I want to do yearly. It means the interest will be applied on yearly basis. Then so saving accounts, what should be the locking period? I mentioned 3 months. So before 3 months customer cannot withdraw the amount from saving account. And I created saving account on this specific date. I click save. So saving account 1 is created. Now for the same customer, I want to create a recurring deposit RD. For RD 500, that is the installment. Now installment can be daily, weekly, monthly. I'll explain how it can be done. Rate of interest I would say 6%. Compounding not applicable in this case, and this is for, let's say, for 100 days. 100 day. So it will be recurring on daily basis for 100 days, and every day installment is 500. So total customer investment will be 50,000, and the interest will get calculated automatically. I click save. Now for same customer, I can also create a weekly account. So weekly, let's say 1000, then rate of interest 6, and for let's say 52, and I would say week. So it will be weekly. So account number 3 created. So let's take a look how it will work. So I can search deposit number 1. Now here this is the saving deposit. Okay, and customer deposited 1000, let's say on specific date, deposit, and then customer withdrawn 400 today, withdrawn. Now transactions, here you can see deposited, withdrawn and balance. You can also see the transaction history. Deposit 2, which was 500 daily account, customer can pay any random amount. Let's say customer paid 1000, received. So then automatically what is the due, it will be shown here, and for how many installments. Now deposit 3, which was a weekly account. So here customer is 1000, but customer can pay less, let's say, and then receive. The 500 is due. All right. So this is way you can manage multiple deposit accounts in Jainam Software. Now I have explained deposit. Similarly, there are a lot of videos available which will help you to understand how the microfinance can work in Jainam Software. All right. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.